Hi, good afternoon all of you. I am Vaira Prakash, chef of Istanbul Taj Mahal Indian restaurant. Today I gonna show you how to make butter chicken. For the butter chicken, you need chicken grilled in tandoor, then we put in butter sauce. So now I show you how to marinate the chicken. Chicken breast marinated with yogurt, kasuri methi powder, garam masala powder, mustard oil. Here is mustard oil, kasuri methi powder. This is degi from Indian herbs, fenugreek dry leaves, chili powder, garam masala powder, and zira powder, salt, ginger garlic paste, and we put khang curd. Finally we mix it up. We keep it 12 hours minimum marination in the chiller. Then we grill in tandoor by 6. It's take in tandoor about 10 minutes in 150 degree Celsius. The chicken will get cooked because its breast is almost marinated 12 hours, so it's very easily cooked fast. So this is the gas tandoor we have in our restaurant. So we cook, and we already made it often chicken. This also I put because I'm gonna make you faster. The chicken get grilled in tandoor. We're gonna cook it for 10 minutes. So here we have for butter chicken, all masala we have, degi mirchi powder, kasuri methi powder, this is turmeric, kurkuma, salt, sugar, coriander powder. There are a lot of spices here, garam masala powder, and cashew nut paste, makhani gravy, honey we have in the bottle, and finally we put with fresh skim. So almost 10 minutes we already have done the chicken, so that will be ready. So we take it, the first one which we put in tandoor. So we apply little butter to make it soft, the chicken tikka. Then we take it out. Cut small pieces for the butter chicken. It almost cooked well. So the chicken is ready for the butter chicken toasted. So now I start the sauce. For the sauce you need a butter, oil little, so it's get hot. One more oil we have, chicken biryani also. We already made the biryani, plain biryani, so it's getting ready. So add little chopped onion. Ready. chicken is very famous in all over the world. Mostly people like it's basically with tomato paste and cashew nut paste and cream. So many people like this butter chicken. Also we have chicken tikka masala, the same kind of preparation, but it was little more spicy than butter chicken. The onion get golden brown. I have here biryani, chicken biryani. So the onion get already half done. So we can put makhani gravy 200 ml. Mix it up. And add the chicken tikka, which I already cooked in tandoor, grilled in tandoor. Now we put chicken. Add little water, hot water maybe. Add dry kasuri methi powder, little salt, cashew nut spoon paste. Cashew nut boil and we paste in the mixer 1 spoon. Mix it up. Add little honey. Honey for sugar, means for the sweet taste. Because butter chicken is little sweet, little spicy, and more tomato flavor. So the butter chicken almost get ready. Finally, you add fresh cream smetana, 20-30 ml. Mix it up. So you must get little reduced. The butter chicken is almost ready. So chicken biryani also ready here. Chicken biryani is ready for the guest. Butter chicken almost ready. This is tomato makhani gravy, kasuri methi powder, fresh cream, butter, oil, chopped onion, and fresh cream. Finally, finish with little more butter for the rich taste, and we can serve it to the guest. So the butter chicken is ready. You feel the flavor. What a very nice flavor, especially with chicken and tomato and butter. Garnished with cream. Thank you very much.